Poha Recipe. Poha is a popular and easy-to-make Indian breakfast dish. It's a flattened rice dish cooked with spices and vegetables. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: 1 cup thick poha, flattened rice. 2 to 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Half a cup finely chopped onions. A quarter cup finely chopped green bell pepper, capsicum. A quarter cup finely chopped carrots. A quarter cup green peas, fresh or frozen. 1 to 2 green chilies, finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, chopped. A handful of roasted peanuts, optional. Fresh grated coconut for garnish, optional. Chopped fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Instructions: 1. Rinse poha. Take the poha in a sieve and rinse it under running water for a few seconds. Be gentle and don't over-rinse, or the poha will become mushy. Let it sit in the sieve to drain excess water. 2. Heat oil. Heat oil in a pan or kadai over medium heat. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. 3. Sauté vegetables. Add chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté until the onions turn translucent. 4. Add veggies. Add finely chopped carrots, green peas, and bell pepper. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables are tender. 5. Add spices. Add turmeric powder and salt. Mix well. 6. Add poha. Add the drained poha to the pan. Gently mix everything together. Cook for a few minutes on low heat. 7. Add lemon juice. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the poha and mix it in. The lemon juice adds a fresh tangy flavor. 8. Garnish. Add chopped fresh coriander leaves and roasted peanuts if you like. You can also garnish with fresh grated coconut. 9. Serve hot. Serve the poha hot with a side of yogurt or chutney. Enjoy your delicious homemade poha for breakfast or as a light snack.